Hi friends! Welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. I hope that you're having a wonderful morning so far. Are you ready to sing a song with me? Alright, make your arms out in front into a circle like this. Raise them up high, then back out in front. Now let's sing together. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. Let's move on to our calendar and weather chart. Today is December 30th, 2020. So let's move our chip from the number 29 over to the number 30. Which is today. Today is December 30th, 2020. And look at that. After today, we only have one more day left in the month of December. And then it will be a new month and a new year. Let's sing the Days of the Week song together. Let me see those 7 fingers. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So let's move down here. Yesterday was Tuesday. Excellent. That means that today is Wednesday. You're right. And tomorrow will be Thursday. But today is Wednesday. Will you sing that with me? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday all day long. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday all day long. Let's move up to our season. The season is winter. For the next couple of months, it will be winter. And look at that. It's time to sing our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? What's the weather like at your house? It's a sunny day. I wish that it was sunny at my house. I haven't seen the sun in quite a few days. Look at this. It's a cloudy day. It's not snowing anymore at my house, but the clouds are covering the sky. And look at that. The temperature is cold. It's a cold, cloudy day where I live. Now let's see what shape we're going to learn about today. Do you see this shape that's on my board? Do you know what it's called? Well, let's count the number of sides that it has. Let me see those counting fingers. You ready to count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape has 4 sides. And do you notice that they are all the same length? This shape is called a square. Can you say that with me? Square. A square is a shape that has 4 sides that are all the same length. A square. Are you ready to use your eyes to play a game of I Spy with me? Today we are going to try to find squares. Let's go. Our shape of the day is a square. Today you are going to use your eyes and try and find all of the squares that you see on my work tray. I will give you some hints once the game starts. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. I spy with my little eyes 3 squares. So each time you find a square on my work tray, lightly tap the screen or point with your finger. So right now you're looking for 1, 2, 3 squares. Have you found any yet? Are you ready for your first hint? Okay. I spy with my little eyes a square that is the color purple. Do you see it now? Oh, good work. There it is. Now you're looking for 2 other squares. Keep looking. And here is your next hint. I spy with my little eyes a square that is the color yellow. And look, you're right, it's right there. You found the yellow square. Now the last square is a little bit tricky to find. I'll give you a couple of seconds to spot it. Any luck? Here's your last hint. This square is the color blue. There it is, hiding right inside of that circle. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. This week we have been talking about our 5 senses. First, we talked about our sense of sight. Which body part did we use? That's right, we used our eyes. Yesterday, we talked about our sense of sound. And do you remember which body part we used for our sense of sound? Our ears. Very good. We used our listening ears. Today, we are going to be talking about our sense of smell. Which body part do you think we'll be using for our sense of smell? Your nose. That's right. Where's your nose? Here's my nose. When you use your nose to smell a flower, is that a good smell or a bad smell? I think so too. A flower is a good smell. But what about when you smell a rotten banana? Is that a good smell or a bad smell? Yeah, a rotten banana does not smell good. What about when you smell dinner cooking? Is that a good smell or a bad smell? Dinner cooking smells good to me. What about garbage? Is garbage a good smell or a bad smell? Ugh, garbage is a bad smell. For today's work, you are going to be using your noses again, and it's a guessing game. Are you ready to see today's work? All right, here we go. Today's work is a guessing game. You are going to use your nose to guess what you're smelling. So I have in front of me some essential oils and some cotton balls. So what your grown-up is going to do is take the cotton ball and the essential oil and put 1 or 2 drops on the cotton ball like this. Put a couple of drops of this one. And 1 more. Open it up. So this is going to be done without you watching, because remember, it's a guessing game, so you can't see what's going on. Instead, you're going to use your nose. So after your grown-up has put the essential oil drops on the cotton balls, you can cover your eyes, or you can use a blindfold if you want. And you're going to get your work tray and smell the cotton ball. So let's see. This one smells like a fir tree. I wonder what the next one is going to smell like. Close my eyes. This one smells like peppermint. And for the last one, make sure to cover those eyes. This one smells like a grapefruit. So if you don't have any essential oils, instead, Your grown-up can give you some baking spices. You're going to take the lids off so that you can smell them. And make sure to cover those eyes or use your blindfold. Cinnamon. Close the eyes again. Ooh, this one smells spicy. It might even make me sneeze. It's pepper. That's a spicy smell. That's your work tray for the day. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. Thanks for learning about our sense of smell with me. Remember, today you're going to use your nose and cover your eyes to guess what you're smelling. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get a new video that is posted every weekday morning. I also am teaching live and interactive classes on outschool.com, so make sure to check those out as well. We have one more song to sing together. Wave goodbye like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. See you tomorrow, everyone.